Do you want to learn how to make this whole neck halter top? Today I'm going to show you step by step how to transform your basic bodice pattern into this design. If you want to keep learning with me, follow me on my social media because there I share short tips and here on YouTube we go deeper. Now, let's go to the table and start. Here we have the basis pattern. This is the full pattern, and this is the basic pattern of the waist. Okay? It's very important to wear only to the waist, not the full length. Perfect? Now I wear on this. Perfect. This pattern has a high neckline, like a modest neck, and this is the one we're going to use as our base. Now we're going to trace this pattern onto another paper. I use this paper. Perfect. Because we should never demand the original pattern. Moment. Yes. In my case, I using recycled paper. If you been follow me, you know I sewing patterns, and this paper is from one of them. Okay. Now and cut. Is this the copy? Is this the copy? And this is original. Original, save, and work with the copy. Moment, and mark the line. You see the pattern in the camera? You see? Perfect. Now we draw a straight line to the armhole. Okay, moment. This. Oh. Sign, this is a halter top. This is the halter top. This. Okay. We take the line from the armhole of the neck. Now we create the lines for the dry pin. You can 3, 4 or more lines. More lines, more volume. Fewer lines, less volume. Now, 1, 2, and 3. You could use ruler or the frill. I'm going to make 3 soft curved lines. Perfect. Now we cut and spray the piece. This. Number 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. 1, 2, and 3 pieces. Perfect. Now I use other paper. I fold the paper I fold the paper, you see? Perfect. Use the paper. Perfect. I use the pins. Oh, okay, perfect. Leave a space between 5 to 8 centimeters. I using 8 centimeters for more volume. Okay? If you prefer 5 to 3 moment a mark line. Perfect. Mark line. Okay? Okay, I using 8 centimeters right here. And this is 8 centimeters. Is 8. Okay, other 8 centimeters and 8 centimeters. Oh, moment. 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. Moment, and 8 centimeters. Oh, yes. Okay, perfect. And 8 centimeters. Oh, yes, perfect. Perfect. You see? Perfect. Now, an important step, since we are using no stretch fabric, we need to add heels at about 5 to 8 centimeters. Oil at say 6 centimeters on the armhole side. Now 6 centimeters on the armhole side. Armhole, you see, armhole side is 6 centimeters. Remember, now is 6 centimeters. You see? Perfect. Also, we longer the armhole. For comfort, you can lower it between 8 to 15 centimeters, or you lower my 11 centimeters. Now, in this point, you see? In this point, oil over 11 centimeters. 11 centimeters. You see? Perfect. Now draw a straight line from one side to the other. Moment. From the armhole, we also stand for the neck length and back support. Moment, the onion line with the ruler. You see? Now you see? This. 11, moment. 11 is the 11. And this part, you add the more the more fabric or the more number is the length your blouse. Now I upped 15 centimeters, 15, 11, 10. What you prefer is work, okay? Now, yes, perfect. You see? And now on the onion like, right here, this, in the point, you trace or you draw the line. Moment, no. The ruler is wrong position, is the wall. Yes, is the wall position. And this, you see? Perfect. After the cut, fold the paper right here. And now for fold the paper right here. Draw again. And fold the paper. Oh, moment. Fold the paper right here. You see? Right here. Now I fold. Okay? Now draw a straight line from one side to the other. Oh no, I confunded. Is before cutting, we make the facing mirror piece. Fold right here. You see? Right here. Moment. This. Okay? Before cutting, we make the facing mirror piece. We go down. Oh, moment for at in this point at 6 centimeters is the back neck. This is the back neck of the blouse. Now 6 or 4 or 3 is you prefer. Okay? On the this position is the bottom. Is the bottom right here. Perfect. Okay. Now, yes. Now we cut. Now we cut right here. Oh, moment. Yes. Perfect. Now perfect. You see? This is the front piece and this is the back piece. Now is fold the paper. Perfect. We go down in this part. We go down 6 centimeters for the armhole, so it sits nicely inside. You see, and this 6 centimeters. Oh, okay. 6 centimeters. Perfect. Yes. This is the front piece and back piece. You see? The fold paper, front piece and back piece. You see? The clean paper right here is the clean. Back piece and front piece. This is fold the piece. You see? Perfect. Okay, and the front piece is ready. Okay, perfect. For the back, we try the same shape, but we add a drop. Give me the moment. This. Now. Oh, no. Yes. For the back, we trust this same shape, but we add a drop, okay? Now, this and this, there, okay? And trust a line, because the body is not black. This dark can be 2 to 3 centimeters. Oil use 2 centimeters. Okay? And 2 centimeters. 1 and 2. This and this. Perfect. You cut the piece. We cut the piece. Now this is this. And this part you cut and close. You see? And close. And the clean piece is this. Is the back piece. Perfect. And now we have both front and back piece ready. Now let's cut the fabric. Oil use satin, but you can choose any color you like. This pattern is available on my website if you don't want to make it from a scratch. Perfect, that's all. So, what do you think? What is easy or a little bit challenging? I know my English is not perfect. It's not my first language, but I really love sharing this with you and hope you understood everything. Remember, I design for real bodies. If you don't want to make this pattern for a scratch, you can get in my website printing and home assembly and sewing, If you want to learn how to sew this top, follow me and turn on notification, because in my next video I'll show you the full sewing process, baby. Sewing process. Thank you for being here. Thank you for support me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, darling.